Finally, the day has come.
IKEA!
We've made it to IKEA! So we need silverware. We need hooks. We need soap holders. We need a holder for her shaver. There's all sorts of things. And I think we came to the right place. So we're on the hunt right now. And this place is absolutely insane, dude. Oh my gosh.
There's so much stuff.
Oh my goodness. She's dreaming. She is dreaming.
It's so soft. You guys, this was in my drawing. Dang, that feel.
Feels really nice.
Is your walkway wider than the road? Luxury closet.
Oh my gosh. This is the new vlog room, dude.
It's twice as big
yes.
as our van. Ow.
What is it?
For what?
We did it. We went to IKEA. We got our stuff, and we can't wait to show you everything we got and how we're gonna use it. The latte action, dude. This is our little trash can. Thank you, IKEA, for supporting van life. We're gonna see if we can't recycle paper bags for our trash bags. It's kind of doesn't work.
Kind of not ideal.
Kind of not ideal. Yeah, that's sick. Okay, so we got this dog butt for Riley's leash and his bowls to hang from. So we're thinking about putting this little guy right here, like that. Little dog butt action, dude.
Got a butt like this.
Oh, wait.
Butt activated.
Tupperwares. We got Tupperwares. Oh. Nice, dude. Bowls. Perfect for making salads in. Perfect for huge, excessive bowls of cereal.
The only kind of cereal to eat.
Yes.
Oh, our cute little chopsticks.
Nice.
They're so cute.
Chopsticks.
They're so cute.
Oh yeah?
Wow, chocolate.
They're amazing.
We need for cooking that we can think of right now. So cookie sheet, brownie pan, and our little frying pan. And then our pot is actually this collapsible bad boy. So this means we don't need a strainer as well because it's got one in the lid. And it just, bloop. Super easy, can't you tell?
Heck yeah. Our drawer scenario.
Bowls, and we have room for plates, which we still need to get back behind them. Gotta have the Ninja at all times. Oven mitt, all our utensils are in this random cup. Got Tupperwares, glass Tupperwares. Our measuring stuff we got here, and then all our like cooking utensils and our kettle. Perfect.
Sick.
Glorious rug. I wish we could flash back to the picture I drew of the van when I was designing the layout, because it had this floor. It was pretty much this.
Yeah.
Exactly. With this rug that I randomly drew. And now we have it. And it's so soft and it feels so good.
We got these sick little like foldable hooks. So we're gonna put them just above the door right here, like this. And basically once we unfold it, it'll look something like that. And hopefully everything that's wet, like snowboard gear, will just kind of like drip down onto that plastic step right there. And it'll be perfect, dude. So when they're in storage, they're just like that.
Sweet.
Oh. Yeah. People have no idea what you do for shots in van life, dude. give them a quick little preview of how you get a shot. I was like this. So for Christmas, last Christmas, Amanda, I think you got me this, didn't you? Yeah, Amanda got me this sick freaking key holder. So, about to put that up, and I'm gonna be so stoked, dude. Look at that thing. There she is, dude. What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
So sick.
That is so sick, dude.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
We got this welcome mat from IKEA, and I just cut it to fit, and I put some Velcro on it and the stair here. I only have one hand, but now it sticks right on there. Brush our feet off.
Would you look at this sunset right now? It is absolutely unreal, dude. Hurricane sunset. Absolutely unreal. Alright guys, so IKEA was a huge success, as you saw. We got so much stuff that we really needed, and if you ask me, IKEA fully supports van life. I mean, look at this. Come on. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog, and I'm going to spread some stoke with you guys because the van is like totally almost done, and I know I've said that quite a few times, but I mean, I've even got the shroud on the Max fan nowadays, dude. Like, we're there. But yeah, we evacuated the hurricane. We're here in Charlotte, and we're chilling, dude. I hope everything's going well back home, and we are this close to hitting the road full time. And this is actually our 5th night sleeping in the van. So, going on a full week of being in the van, and it has been absolutely amazing. And I am just so stoked to be winding down with the work with the van and just starting to really enjoy it and utilize everything. And it's just amazing. So thank you guys so much for the support, and we are growing a lot. And please like, comment, and subscribe, and share our channel. And we have an Etsy store. Check that out. Get some stickers. Show your friends. And we have a van tour coming extremely soon. So that's going to be absolutely amazing. You guys are incredible.